I still say Fritz the Cat might be inappropriate, but you know what? It made a lot of money, and I still say Fritz the Cat is good. So I don't care what people think. I like Fritz the Cat. And people who don't, I'm sorry. You can go straight to hell. How, it's the wolf. Yes, I like Fritz the Cat. And yes, I like heavy traffic. Even though seeing it is bad, even though seeing it says the N-word, and I still like heavy traffic. And I still like Wizards. I love Banshee. And I still like Fritz the Cat. Yes. I still like this crazy son of a gun movie with nudity and everything. And even though it's rated X. I still like Fritz the Cat. Ho, it's the wolf.